Hello children, how are you? I hope you are very safe and practicing your lessons very well. In this session, I teach you linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.2. We have already done two questions from this exercise. Now let us continue the exercise. Question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? For solving such problems, we have to find an equation, and for finding equation, we have to consider the question in different parts and solve it. Let the number be y. You can take instead of y any variable. Generally we take x, but here many times confusion comes between x and multiplication sign. So I generally now take y as the variable. Subtracting 1 by 2 from y means, it is y minus 1 by 2. Multiplying the result y minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 means y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. By data, by the given information, we can write y minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. And in bracket we have a binomial, so we have to multiply it by 1 by 2. So we get two terms, y into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Y into 1 by 2 is y by 2 and 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So it becomes y by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now we have to take minus 1 by 4 to the other side. So it becomes y by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Now we have different denominators. So we have to find LCM. LCM is 8. So 1 by 8 we have to multiply with 1 by 1 and 1 by 4 we have to multiply with 2 by 2. 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 is 1 by 8. 1 by 4 into 2 by 2 is 2 by 8. Now the denominators are same. Numerators we can add. 1 plus 2 we get 3 and it becomes 3 by 8. Now we know y by 2 is equal to 3 by 8. Now y is equal to, here y is divided by 2. So on the other side it becomes multiplied by 2. 3 by 8 into 2. And 2 and 8 we can simplify and we get the answer as 3 by 4. So the number is 3 by 4. Question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Here the perimeter means the outside boundary length. Here we have to take the smallest quantity as y. Here see, breadth is smaller than length. And also another clue is there. See the word than. After that we have the word breadth. So this term we have to consider as y. Let the breadth of the pool be y meter. Length is given twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2 into y equal to 2y meter. Length of the pool is that plus 2. 2y plus 2 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular pool. The formula of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Now we have to substitute the values. 2 multiplied by, in the place of L, we write 2y plus 2 and in the place of B, we write y. And it is also given as 154 meter. So we can write 2 multiplied by 2y plus 2 plus y is equal to 154. Now we have to simplify the bracket. We have to remove the square bracket by taking the terms outside. So it becomes 2 into 2y plus 2 plus y is equal to 154. And again simplify the smaller bracket. So we have 2y and y inside. They are like terms. So it becomes 2y plus y, we get 3y. So the equation becomes 2 multiplied by 3y plus 2 is equal to 154. Now we have to multiply 2 with 3y and 2 with 2. So 6y plus 4 is equal to 154. Now plus 4 we have to take to the other side and it becomes minus 4. So 6y is equal to 154 minus 4. It is equal to 150. So y is equal to 150 divided by 6. It is equal to 25. Now the breadth of the pool is 5 meter and we already got it as 25 meter. The length of the pool is 2y plus 2, that is 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Here we have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal and this is the base. And base is given as 4 by 3 centimeter. The measurement of equal sides is not given. So we assume it as y centimeter. Now let us think of the solution. Let the length of the equal sides be 5 centimeter. The base of the isosceles triangle is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is sum of all its three sides. So we have to add the measurement of all the three sides, 4 by 3 plus y centimeter. It is also given as 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. So we can write 4 by 3 plus y is equal to 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. Y plus y, you know, it is 2y. So we can write 4 by 3 plus 2y is equal to 62 by 15 centimeter. How did you get 62 by 15? This mixed number 4 and 2 by 15 we changed into improper fraction. Now 2y is equal to, here we have 4 by 3 and this we have to take to the other side and it becomes minus 4 by 3. Now here denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So 62 by 50 into 1 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 5. 62 by 15 into 1 by 1 is 62 by 15 and 4 by 3 into 5 by 5 we know it is 20 by 15. Now 62 minus 20 divided by 15. Subtracting we get 42. It becomes 42 by 15. Now we have 2y is equal to 42 by 15. So y is equal to 42 by 15 divided by 2. And here we have to divide a fraction by 2. And you know 2 means 2 by 1. So division by a fraction means multiplication by the inverse. So it becomes 42 by 15 into 1 by 2. And we can simplify 42 and 2 and we get 21 by 15 centimeter. It is an improper fraction. So convert it into mixed number and we get 1 and 6 by 15. And again we can simplify 6 by 15 and it is 1 by 1 and 2 by 5 centimeter. So the length of either of the remaining equal sides is y centimeter is equal to 1 and 2 by 5 centimeter.